ENGIE is actually a concentrate of energy. We are in the energy business. We are the largest independent utility on planet Earth. What we do in terms of services is to help customers manage their consumption, i.e. to burn less energy, and as such to reduce everyone's CO2 footprint so that we would protect our planet. Our vision is to be a leader in the energy transition. All this would be a combination of mobility, big data, and IoT.
When it was announced that Kony was selected as the group platform, we were very excited. We know that Kony is the leader in the space as far as providing a platform, and the partnership has been very good. The Kony AppPlatform helps us to develop our applications more quickly because it allows us to get access to things that we don't have to develop ourselves. So for example, access to back-end APIs, being able to create push notifications, being able to perform all kinds of added features in our application that normally would require a lot of time to develop in multiple platforms. We can develop applications in weeks instead of months. Sometimes people think that by using a platform, you don't get as feature-rich as you would if you're creating a native application. And that hasn't been the case with us. We've been able to develop very feature-rich capabilities in our app utilizing the Kony platform.
There
are three main drivers that influence development at ENGIE Digital. The first is cloud first, the second is API first, and the third is mobile first. The ENGIE Digital Factory provides a digital platform based on these three parameters in order to promote agility, flexibility, and time to market.
We are sharing today the common vision with Kony. The fact that we are here to boost the transformation within the group and to provide the Kony technologies worldwide in ENGIE and to make our business units autonomous on this new technology. So today we have a new capability, the mobile Kony platform, which is put in the cloud, available for all our divisions worldwide. And thanks to one development in JavaScript, you can generate different apps on different systems for different mobile devices. So life is easier.
La Digital Factory a été créée.
The Digital Factory was created a year ago. In terms of mobile apps, we have now made about 15 for various areas of the company, for our employees, for our customers, and for our factories.
Donc cette application.
This is a car-sharing app called CoMove. It allows both ENGIE employees and employees of other companies to travel during the day, on evenings, or weekends. The idea came from a new initiative driven by Isabelle Kosher on sustainable mobility. We already had a car-sharing app within ENGIE, which needed to be updated to the current toolset, which includes Kony. And following this digital journey, we in fact redesigned this solution to promote new functionalities with, I would say, new user experience. And we even developed a roadmap to provide new services in coming years.
Our Think Energy business is relatively new. It provides power and gas to retail residential customers. So we started thinking about, for example, our smart thermostat. How could we engage with our customers through our smart thermostat and through our mobile app to provide more insights and engagement with our clients? So we're very excited about the future, and we have more applications that we want to build through the mobile platform that Kony provides for us.
We at ENGIE, we have a global ambition. We want to be the leaders in the energy transition. In order to be a leader, you need to partner with the best. And we picked Kony because Kony is the best.